Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Ayu Mesuli. I'm from PBI3 student at Islamic State University of Palembang, Palembang. In this video, I would like to explain for our material. I'm from group 18 and about productions of instructions. So, enjoy for watching. Okay, post-productions. Large amount of the post-productions work needed for instructional video is included in the formative evaluation procedures generally applied in instructional design. In addition to the formulative evaluation procedures, post-productions activities for a video include editing and distributions. Okay, it means post-production is one of the stages of the filmmaking process. The stage is carried out after the film production stage is completed. After the produce the video or film, we should do edit the video, like we add the animations, we add the song, background music, and manage the special effect, color corrections, and so on. So it's mean the aim to make the video or film more interesting, and it is related to the formative evaluation procedures because formative evaluation procedures is judgment strength and weaknesses of the instruments, and the aims to improve the instruments to be effectiveness and appeal. And for formative evaluation procedures include the computer-based instructions, paper-based instructions, and then workshop, live lectures, and so on. And then post-production activities for video include editing and distributions. After the edit, we should to distribute the video. It means distributions. After complete the editing the video or film, we should to show the video to the audience or to our lecturer, to our students. So it is the definitions of distributions. We show the video after we edit, and we show the video to the audience, and we can also to distribute the video like through social media with a website or with platforms such as YouTube and within the e-learning courses and so on. Okay, and next, okay, productions of teacher-based instructions. According to Deber 1989, one of the most widely used delivery systems for instructions is the human instructor. And although instructional designers tend to think of instructor delivery as just another medium. This is the means of instructional delivery that was the only options. Teacher-based instructions still remains in many people's mind the only options for delivery of instructions, and with other media being seen as it. We as a lecturer or as an instructor or as a teachers, not only we use to delivery system for instructions, we can also to use the aids, the media, to help our instructions. So it means I think can make to our instructions more interesting for our audience or our students, and for the media like the computer or video, audio, and so on. Okay, and then productions. Okay, is in this material still about productions of teacher-based instructions. Yeah, in productions, producing teacher-based instructions, there are two steps that teachers use in the instructions productions process. Okay, for the first, develop instructors, guides, and trainers, just as it is used in producing a free computer or video use instructions. Okay, and then the second, the production steps in a unique activity for designed instructions involving a form of delivery. For the 1 point, we can also to develop our instructors guides with using the producing print, computer, or video to use our instructions. Yeah, we can develop it to have our instructions. And for the second point, the production step is unique activity. Unique activity, it's mean we can also to design our instructions with unique activity like discussions with our students, like we can also teach or give the instructions to our students with learned with a song, yeah, and make a circle to our students, and we storytelling with our students, and then yeah, many things to unique activity to the instructions. Okay, developing instructor guides. Instructor guides should contain the material necessary for an instructor to successfully deliver the instructions. The exact nature of the material needed will depend on a number of factors, not the least of which are such instructor characteristics as subject, knowledge, teaching skill, or pedagogical training. It's mean as a lecturer or as instructors to successfully deliver the instructions, we should the characteristic as a subject matters, knowledge, teaching skill, or pedagogical training. And for example, unexperienced instructors needs very detailed instructor guides, while experienced instructors may not need such as the detailed material. Okay, unexperienced instructions, for example, a new teacher does not have many experience about teach their students, teach the audience. So she or he should to prepare well, practice, and make outline, and then to make the instructors needs very detailed instructor guides. So it is different with experience. Instructors may not need such as detailed material. Yeah, well, like for example, teacher has taught students for 5 to 10 years. It is a difference. So the new teachers with old teachers can have the different experience, and with old teachers they of course have many experience of teaching their students. Yeah, I think for the example, developing instructor guides. Okay, in these features, there is the course level guides and lessons level guides. In course level guides include course title, course goals, target the audience, course objectives, course purpose, and so on. And lesson level guides include lesson title, lesson goal, class rosters or name tags, lesson objectives, lesson purpose, and so on. And material for both course level and lesson level guides in obtained from products of the analysis and strategy process of the instructional design process. And the course title and lesson titles, goals, and purposes are products product uh, product of the needs assessment. And the targets, the audience descriptions come from the learned analysis, and both course and lessons objectives are a product of the learning task analysis. And then the facilities and equipment needs, material differences and schedules, and also lesson plans are products of the instructional strategy first, especially from developments of the expanded instructional event and from media and grouping decisions. Okay, I think that's all for my explanations. Thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.